Aloha talofa and yorana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kananilokelani Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. And today I just kind of want to take you through my day. I have a really busy day today, so I thought it'd be the best time to kind of like bring you along with me. It is Tuesday. It's October something on Tuesday. I really don't know what the day is today, but I have 3 classes today, which is kind of a lot, and they're really long classes, and they're really separated throughout the day. So in between the classes, I'm going to be running errands and so on. But anyway, so basically I teach at my auntie's house. That's my auntie's house that I'm about to go to. You guys will recognize the living room and stuff once I get in there. And it's where I teach, it's where I work all day long. It's a peaceful place to stay, and I'm really, really grateful that they have let me we've spent quarantine together basically, and I started teaching there back in March. I never taught online until this year because of COVID coming into play. I was like, dang, like what do we do? And then really good friends of mine had hit me up for like teaching an online class, and I was like, okay, like I'm gonna try that out, I guess. I don't know how well it's gonna go, like, you know, technology, you just want to make sure you give something good to everybody. And then it worked out really well, and everybody was like really into the whole idea, especially the dance community. And I'm really lucky. I've even hit and met like people who've never danced before, and they like join my classes and stuff. If you want any more information on my classes, I will link it down below. But anyway, I'm actually really late, but I wanted to film this intro. I'm gonna head inside and we're just gonna get set up. So here we go. I have set myself up. I have a ring light behind me. I have my computer. I actually set everything up on a big pot because I don't have like a tripod to hold everything for my classes. But basically I'm in my room where I teach my classes. I've filmed other YouTube videos in here that you've seen before. But I wanted to show you this. Is this what you do? Is this how they do it? So it's a Dr. Bronner's Arnica Menthol Organic Magic Balm Relieve and Relax. And basically it's like a pain relief ointment. Put it like right here, over my on my quads, on my knees, and then on my calves, and then around my ankles is usually where I like to do it. I'm really late, so I'm setting up my Zoom classes. I have my computer right here, and oh, I start in 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. 8 medium ami, 8 count for arapu. Belly. So this is my mess right now, and I just finished class. I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna go sell some clothes. I have to stop by the post office, blah blah blah, boring things, and then just kind of talk to you guys. But yeah, see you later. I thought I would have coffee time chat while I wait, because I didn't film it because this is harder than I thought it would be. But basically I went to Plato's Closet. If you don't know what Plato's Closet is, it's a buy sell trade store in the States. I think it's in multiple states, I think. I'll look it up, but I just went to go sell some clothes and just get rid of some clothes. And then there's a Starbucks next door, so I went to go get my coffee because I haven't had my coffee yet. So I thought I would talk about kind of what I do every day and how it started. So I do Zoom classes every day. I am a dance teacher via Zoom. We do online courses, and they're live classes. Some of the dancers can't make it to the live class, so they do a class recording, but it's the live recording from the class that I had taught, and it's going really good. I'm super like into it, you know, like I really want this to like be a moment, a career path, and I don't ever want to do anything but work for myself. I've said this before, like I have this like entrepreneur mentality. I just saw a man's wee-wee. Bless his heart. I think he's on drugs. Oh. You have my live reaction of a man's wee wee. Can I say that? Can I say it like that? Have you seen that TikTok when it's like,
there goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
yeah, that's literally what it's like living here in Fresno. Anyway, I don't even want to really go into detail about that. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs. Period. Okay, so I am now in my little living room office, I like to call it, and this isn't even my living room, and two, it's not even an office, but I just had lunch. I had a tuna sandwich. It's pretty amazing. Sourdough bread, mayonnaise, mustard, tuna, cucumber, a bunch of peppers, onions. Here we go. But I'm now back at home after running a few errands. I ran all over the city, and then now I'm going to answer emails, edit YouTube videos, check payments, plan, create new courses. This is where I sit down and I just plan out my life and double check that everything is kind of put together, as well as get back to a lot of the dancers, and let's get through the day. So now I'm just gonna kind of work. So we've moved on to the next task of the day, and I'm currently choreographing the aprima for my aprima course and coming up with some pretty dope ideas that I'm really happy with. So I'm gonna let you just kind of watch me process my choreography, what's going on right now. In aprima, sometimes it's not always airy kind of movement. Sometimes you push hard and then let go, or it's strength into a release. So I just finished my last class. I did 3 90-minute classes today. Very aggressive. I made the point to make sure I was dancing a lot today because it was my first day actually running classes like that on a Tuesday. And sometimes I have a hard time working that way because what I do is such a physical straining thing for work. And so by the 3rd class, I'm like, dang, can I even move right now? And I definitely, it was really hard to move, but it was really fun. It was a great day. I feel really worked out. I worked out all day. My brain was working. My body was working. It's very rewarding. So I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm going to go home, see my dog, see my boyfriend, eat some dinner, probably drink a glass of wine or open a beer and just call it a night. So I'm going to close this vlog here. I hope you had a great time with me. Thank you for being here. Press the like button, the bell for notifications, subscribe, comment below, share with your friends and family, all those fun YouTuber things that they say oh, it really helps me out, but real life, it really helps us out. So any love would be appreciated, especially for small channels like mine. So anywho, that is my day. I hope you have a beautiful day, a beautiful week, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're thriving. I hope you're happy. I hope you're positive. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.